What's up, Wolfpack? Wolfboy here, and today, I'm gonna show you guys how to, just with your hands, I'll show you other cool tricks with your hands too, but just with your hands, I'm gonna show you how to do a hoon call / owl call / whatever you want to call it. The bird, whatever it's called. It's called a hoon call, but I call it an owl call because it sounds like an owl. But yeah, so basically, a hoon call is like that thing you see where like people cup their hands and then you blow into it. Yeah, it's pretty easy. So I just learned how to do it, and I want to show you guys how to do it. So without further ado, let's get into this. So take your dominant hand and place it down like this. So I'm right-handed, so I place my dominant hand. Take your least dominant hand, put it like this. Make a shape like this, like a snake, like ooh. So like this, take this, do that, and then cup your hands together, like so. Flat hand, do that. Pinky on here, so these two knuckles touch together, put it like that, and then cup your hand like this. So now you got this, your hand looks like this. Basically what you want to do now is take these fingers and like close it, web it into your hand like this, and then take these two fingers right here and put them together. I'll show you later what you do now. So make sure there's a little hole right there. Okay, so now that you have your hand in a position that you are comfortable, it's not going to be that comfortable, it's going to be pretty painful, but so like it's like this, right? Here, it's pretty loud, so let me try to do it. Maybe I can't do it like first try, but I'll figure it out. You just blow into that little hole right there, that little tiny hole that you can't really see, but
sorry, can't really do it first try, but you'll figure it out.
so right there is about the right amount for me, so and I haven't really mastered the little like that thing yet. You will master it sooner or later, but you know, just keep practicing it and you'll be able to do it. That's how you do a hoon call, and once again, it's pretty easy. It's like all you have to do is do this, do that. Here, wait, we'll try again. That's it. Hopefully this video gets a decent amount of views. Let's try to get to 5 likes. 5 likes on this video. Try. Come on, we can do it. So, yeah. Took me a while to figure it out at first. But, anyway, I'll see you guys probably next week. Stay hunting and peace. I forgot to say that, like, hopefully you stayed to the end of the video because I forgot a few things. 1, don't blow too hard, and 2, you're gonna need to put your top lip on your, like, the top of your knuckles, top of your thumb knuckles, your top, and the bottom on the, basically just, like, kiss your thumb knuckles, basically. And, that's about it, so, yeah, stay hunting, peace.